Hello again, Carolina Hamblin here from Taliesin. Today we would like to share with you how we put beautiful flower arrangements together at Taliesin. Bringing fresh flowers into the home at Taliesin has a long-standing tradition in our community, and here you can see some of the beautiful examples that our house stewards, Bill Dagnan and Sarah Baxter, have put together over the last years. Many of us at Taliesin have learned how to put flower arrangements together from Tony Putnam and Effi Casey. And today we are very fortunate to have Effi with us, and she will walk us through creating a beautiful flower arrangement. Thank you, Effi, for sending us your flower arrangement tutorial all the way from Flensburg, Germany, where you are currently staying with family during this global pandemic.
Hi, thank you for joining me. I'm Effi Casey, and I love to show you a little bit of flower arranging. I'm not a professional, but I love to do it, and I would like to share it with you. Thanks for being there. I've been at Taliesin a very long time, and certainly learned from the many great artists who used to and still do beautiful flower arranging. And I'm very happy to do it myself. Many of the spaces, large spaces, that's something you want to think about. Do you do an arrangement for a large space or a coffee table, a dining room table? So you want to adjust the vase, the size of the arrangement and so forth. I would like to make an arrangement in this pot. It's standing on the top of a upright piano, so we have a little height, which leads me to think that would be nice to make it graceful, a little bit larger, let it hang over. And right now the spirea is blooming, and we take a couple here. I love this one. You see, this has a beautiful curve. I didn't cut this, it was like that. But I recommend to always cut the lower leaves of flowers in general, so that the water stays clean. But proportionally, I think this will be fun to try, and I hope it will do it. This wants to turn, it's not quite what I like to do. This is a bush outside, that's a very tender leaf, and I think that might fit nicely with this. We could do something like that. Let's see. It's okay, but it could also be too much. We'll see. I have something very beautiful here. Look at this, how nice. This could be in a vase by itself. It's a Japanese peach blossom. It's a big bush outside here. By the way, I'm Corona stuck in Germany, so I'm very happy to be at the house of my partner, Klaus Röschmann, in northern Germany. We have a beautiful garden out there, but isn't that gorgeous? So I'm going to add this here. Leaf of the same bush. Let's try this. Maybe. So I want to keep it airy, not too thick. We still have tulips. That might be a fun flower to add. Yeah, we want to strive for, I would like to make this the center, and keep it airy otherwise, but there is something missing. tulips are a little bit soft in their stem. They don't want to stay where you want it. Maybe we add another one. Let's leave it like that for the moment, okay? What do you think? It's too equal. I wanted to feature this a little bit more. Maybe you get the idea. Let's go over here to my table. First, I wanted to show you something that we found in the woods. What is the name of the tree? The Latin name?
Larix.
Lerche. Lerche in German. And that is very wonderful when you can have a single branch in a nice vase. This is also a beautiful vase for that kind of thing. And isn't that gorgeous against the white wall? So to show the pattern of the flower. Then let's go over here. I wanted to show you something. See these little flowers. This is a ground cover outside with blue forget-me-not, and so sometimes these little arrangements can be so beautiful. This is a nettle variety. That's also very beautiful. There was some lilac, but that fell apart overnight. I wanted to say, and Frank Lloyd Wright talked often about that, to learn the art of seeing. What that, in my mind, really means is you pay attention to grasses, to simple forms on the wayside, and there is an infinite chance to use those flowers and branches and weeds, what people think as weeds. That can be so beautiful. So always pay attention. Corona is a good time to start paying attention of many things. So we can briefly go over here. Here's some tulips, you know how nice they are. Here's a little single arrangement of rhododendron and a little twig of spirea.
Azalea.
Or azalea, yeah. And here we have some peonies in the garden and tulips. Here's a little freesia, but that's a little stuffed, but you can, here often I do a larger arrangement, but at this time that's what it is. So have fun. I was glad you're there. Thanks for being with me. It's great. Bye bye. Enjoy your flower.